Hi, I'm Heinbach and it's good to have you back. In this video I want to show you how you can make your own Frippertronics loops. Frippertronics is named after Robert Fripp, who in the 1970s developed this technique to basically do what we do now with digital loopers, play to himself. But I still think this technique holds value today because it has a special sound to it and it's just fun to make a tape loop between two machines. For this, I'm standing in the setup to my new performance Schlaufenzeit, which is based around a Frippertronics loops among test equipment and other weird instruments. To make your own Frippertronics loop, you need three things. Two reel-to-reels. Here I'm using two Nagra machines and a mixer. With the first machine, you record the sound. So you set it to record. The second machine, you set to playback. Whatever is recorded on the first machine will be played back on this machine, and the delay will be determined by the speed of the machines and the length of this tape loop. It is tradition to ring the gong every time you make a tape loop. First, cut a slice from the splicing tape. So, you will need this in a bit. It's time to measure the length of the tape loop. Weep. Good. So now take 1/2, put it in here, and take the other end. Put it on the other side. Now we take our little red stripe. All the bubbles should be gone. No bubbles left. Tape loop is done and should be ready for action. Yes. There's another clue to the whole thing, because we're using auxiliary sends from the mixer. Let's move to the mixer. The first tape machine gets its signal from an auxiliary send. So from any point in the mixer you can send it sounds. The second tape machine is hooked up to a channel. So you can change the volume, EQ it, but what you can also do is open the aux. That results in the sound that is being played back being sent again to the recording machine. So you continuously play to yourself and you can build and build and build and create all sorts of weird feedbacks. So technically, this is a pretty simple setup to realize, but the possibilities when you play into it are absolutely beautiful. Robert Fripp used Revox tape machines for that, the model 77, and I'm using Nagra machines. These are professional machines, so they are pretty sturdy and they sound great, but you can do that with cheaper consumer tape machines too. I just prefer the Nagras because, yeah, they're more sturdy and kind of portable still. Though with this setup, portability is its own thing. Now, theoretically, there is no limit how many tape machines you employ for this. You would just get different tabs, different pickup points, and I see no reason why you couldn't use 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 machines and create something beautiful with that. My performance Schlaufenzeit premieres on the 8th of October at Impulse Festival Halle. Maybe I'll see you there. If you have any questions, do leave in the comments below or visit the subreddit. Thank you all for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye. If you like the sounds and the music you heard in this video, head over to my Patreon. There's a sound pack and music waiting there for you. And Patreon is how I'm able to keep on making these videos, so thanks for your support there.